Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly. For you guys that are new tuning in, welcome, 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 welcome. So glad you stopped by. So today is the third week update of me using the Wonder Grow Jamaican Black Castor Oil, you guys. I did purchase this from online, and this is just some information about it. The purpose of this is to condition and nourish your hair, and hopefully you will get from this healthier, growing, stronger, nourished hair. So of course, this is the product. FYI, you guys, this stuff smells so delicious. I wish it was edible, because if it was, I would put it on everything. Okay, so 3-week update. This is the growth so far. 3 weeks. I have not washed these braids, so everything that you see is real here. Also, you guys, just keep this in mind. These videos are pre-recorded, so this is why I'm able to release them every week for you and have an update for you. However, by the time you are seeing this video, I will have already taken these braids out or getting ready to take these braids out. Okay, my baby hairs are growing, and I do see growth happening there. Now on this side, I typically pinch up more baby hair than I should, and that's why it may look a little bit thinner on that side than it does the other side. My hair seems to just eat up this product. My scalp absolutely love it, so I have to go in about every 2 to 3 days and apply this product, you guys. And what I like to do is make love to my scalp, because she loves it, honey. I go in with a little water with this product, and I give her a deep, in-depth massage and let her know that she is loved. Yes, baby, this scalp, these hairs, they are truly loved. They are a gift to me. So I really really like this product, because the scent alone just encourages me to make love to this scalp, you know, make love to her so that she will prosper, you know what I mean? So anyway, you guys, like I mentioned before, I did purchase this product online. Now, from the inserts that you saw, I know that you saw the price at $6 and some change. By the time you're watching this video, that price could have either gone up, it could have gone down, or it may have remained the same. So that is not a accurate price at the time that you are now seeing this video. So just FYI, if you're interested in knowing exactly where I purchased this product, I will have it down in the description box for you guys to check out. Anyway, you guys, know that you get a lot of bang for your buck. This is almost a month of me using the product. That concludes today's video, and I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches. Boom. Boom.